Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First, I'd like to thank everyone for joining us here today. Today, we are here to protest China and its 71 years of occupation, colonization, and genocide in East Turkestan. Before we start, we'd like to start off with the U.S. national anthem, followed by the East Turkestan national anthem. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Thank you, and now we will play the East Turkestan national anthem. Thank you. 71 years ago, on October 1st, 1949, the Chinese Communist Party came to power and established the People's Republic of China. 12 days later, on October 13th, 1949, the People's Liberation Army invaded East Turkestan, and on December 22nd, 1949, the independent East Turkestan Republic was overthrown, bringing colonization, genocide, and occupation to East Turkestan, which continues to this day. Over the past 71 years, the people of East Turkestan have continuously resisted Chinese occupation and sought to regain their independence, resulting in countless massacres, severe colonization, and genocide. In recent years, over 3 million, but maybe up to 8 million according to China's latest white paper, Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, and other Turkic peoples of East Turkestan have been sent to concentration camps, prisons, and labor camps. Hundreds of thousands of Uyghurs and other Turkic people are being used as slave labor, and tens of thousands are being killed for their organs as part of China's campaign of organ harvesting. Over 500,000 Uyghur and other Turkic children have been forcibly separated from their families and sent to state-run orphanages and boarding schools to be raised as loyal Chinese citizens. Tens of thousands of Uyghurs and other Turkic women have been forcibly married to Chinese men, while hundreds of thousands of Uyghur and other Turkic women have been forcibly sterilized by the Chinese government. Over 3.7 million Uyghur and other Turkic babies have been forcibly aborted by the Chinese government as part of its policy of genocide. Furthermore, 46 nuclear tests have directly killed anywhere from 190,000 to 750,000 people in East Turkestan, and left millions with cancerous diseases as a result of nuclear radiation. There is no doubt what China is doing in East Turkestan is a genocide. On July 6, 2020, the East Turkestan National Awakening Movement and the East Turkestan government in exile filed a formal complaint urging the International Criminal Court to investigate and prosecute Chinese officials for genocide and other crimes against humanity. We call on governments across the world to support this effort. The people of East Turkestan have been waiting for 71 years for the international community and countries like the United States to hear our pleas for help and assist us. The root of the genocide is the fact that East Turkestan is an occupied country. East Turkestan and its people have been consistently resisting Chinese occupation as we sought to regain our independence to ensure our very existence. The loss of independence has brought our nation nothing but death and destruction, to the point where we are on the brink of becoming wiped out. Restoring East Turkestan's independence is the only way to ensure the freedoms, human rights, and very existence of our people. If the world truly cares about human rights, freedom, and the survival of the Uyghurs, they must support the restoration of East Turkestan's independence. As you know, we are a dispossessed people. Our freedom, our wealth, and our future is being robbed from us. And we are struggling to strengthen our democracy in exile and maintain East Turkestan and its people's very existence. We call on the United States and all nations across the world to come to our aid by recognizing the genocide and recognizing East Turkestan as an occupied country. The world must stand up and uphold its promise of never again, and resist China and its Communist Party's colonization, genocide, and occupation in East Turkestan. Thank you. And now I invite Mr. Aziz Suleiman to give a speech in the Uyghur language to our diaspora community across the world. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum qarindoshlar. Bugun 2020-yili 10-oyning 1-kuni Xitoy tajovuzchilarining vatanimiz Sharq Turkistonni mustamliqligiga 71 yilga to'lgan kun. Bu 71 yil mobaynida Xitoy tajovuzchilari xalqimizni har xil usulda assimilyatsiya qilib keldi va xalqimizni qirishni bir kunga to'xtatgani yo'q. Sharq Turkistonning bu 71 yillik tarixi Sharq Turkiston xalqining ko'z yoshi, issiq qonlari bilan yug'ilgan bir tarix. Zulm nerede bo'ldi ekan, qarshilik shu yerda bo'ldi. Sharq Turkiston xalqimi bir kunni bu Xitoy tajovuzchilarining zulmiga to'xtamay qarshi turib keldi. Sharq Turkistonning yaqin zamon tarixiga qaraydigan bo'lsak, Barin miqdorda butun Barin yezdiki Barin xalqini Xitoy hukumati qirib tashladi. Hatto Burishki bovoqlardan tortib o'q bilan qirib tashladi. G'ulji voqeasiga qaraydigan bo'lsak, G'uljining ko'chalari, G'uljining yosh yigitlarininki qonlari bilan bo'yilib ketdi. 5-iyul qirg'inchilik voqeasiga qaraydigan bo'lsak, Xitoy hukumati o'quvchi bolalarning, yoshlarning tinch holda elib borgan namoyishini bano qilib, minglarcha begunoh xalqni shu kuni kechda qirib o'ldirdi. Ham necha 10 minglarcha begunoh xalqimizni turmaga solib, zindonda chirtib tugatdi. Yakan idish voqeasiga qaraydigan bo'lsak, bir kechada butun yezdagi qari yosh, cho'ng kichik, hatto bovoqlardan tortib hammani qirib o'ldirdi. Endi yaqin 4 yildagi tarixga qaraydigan bo'lsak, xalqimiz Ikkinchi dunyo urushi mezgilidagi Yahudilarniki 5dan kechirgan, shu kunlarni 5dan kechiryapti. Millionlarcha xalqimizni lagerga solib, turmaga solib, vahshiylarcha qirib xalqimizning ichki bag'rlari sug'urib elib, setyapti. Xonim qizlarimizniki, och singillarimizni qorong'i zindonda dafsana qilyapti. Qarindoshlar, Sharq Turkiston xalqiniki milliy mavjudligi hozir eng oxirgi chekka jon tashlayotgan mezgilga yetib qoldi. Biz bugun bu Amerika tuprog'idagi bu namoyish, dunyoning har qaysi yerlarida olib borayotgan bu namoyish orqali o'zimizning Sharq Turkiston xalqining zulm qarab sukut turmaydiganligini, har xil usulda Xitoy kommunistlarining zulmiga qarshi tura oladiganligimizni, har xil shaklda biz bu zulmni oxiri yengadiganligimizni bildiryapmiz. Biz bu namoyish orqali dunyo jamoatchiligidan, bo'libmi Amerika hukumatidan Sharq Turkistonda bo'layotgan bu zulmni, bu qirg'inchilikni haqiqiy irqiy qirg'inchilik e'tirof qilishni talab qilyapmiz. Hozir Sharq Turkiston bo'layotgani irqiy qirg'inchilik, genocide. What's happening in East Turkistan?
Genocide!
What's happening in East Turkistan?
Genocide!
What's happening in East Turkistan?
Genocide!
China stop 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 genocide!
When you look at our East Turkistan's recent history, the CCP, the Chinese Communist government, Communist Party, deceived East Turkestan leaders for the so-called autonomous region. We learned a very important lesson. A lesson that our independence, our freedom, our autonomy, our true democracy comes only from independence. Without independence, there is no freedom. Freedom for Uyghurs!
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 What do we need? Freedom! What do we need? Freedom! What do we need?
Independence!
Independence for East Turkestan!
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 Stand up America!
Stand up America!
Stand up America!
Stand up America!
Support Uyghurs!
Support Uyghurs!
Support Uyghurs!
Support Uyghurs!
Support East Turkestan!
Support East Turkestan!
Support East Turkestan!
Support East Turkestan!
Stop genocide!
Stop genocide!
Stop genocide!
Stop genocide!
Thank you.
Thank you. We're running a little bit out of time, so we are going to start marching towards the State Department, and we will continue our demonstration there. Qarindoshlar, hozir Ministerligining oldiga yurish qilishni boshlaymiz. Shuning bilan yig'ib, bir